We cannot compel someone to provide what they lack, nor can we force someone to bring back life from death. The Bhutanese proverb emphasizes acceptance, humility, and recognition of the natural order of things by acknowledging impossibility. These are some ways in which we customize the proverb in our conversation. Do not bully individuals by demanding things they lack or tasks that are impossible. When you demand things I lack or expect me to bring back life from death, where do you suggest I find them? How can I extract oil from dry sand? I hope this provides further insight into how proverbs are adapted to suit the context of your conversation. How do you use the proverb sharing in the conversation?